vanilla sweet and sugar bright. A pinch of salt makes all things right. Whisk the yolk still smooth and gold, sweet and creamy, rich and bold. Beat the white still soft and high. Little fluffy clouds will fly.
Floating island,
Sweet and light,
clouds are dancing,
pure delight.
creamy magic.
Smooth and free, a bowl of joy for you and me.
Floating island,
Sweet and light,
come and taste this
dream tonight.
20 minutes.
That's the plan, gone into as fast as you can.
Warm the milk so nice and slow. Drop the meringues and watch them float. Turn them gently, nice and neat. Soft as pillows, light and sweet.
Lift them out with loving care. Rest them gently waiting there.
Now the yolks go back inside.
Stirring slowly with your pride.
Floating island,
Sweet and light,
clouds are dancing,
pure delight.
creamy magic.
Smooth and free, a bowl of joy for you and me.
Floating island,
Sweet and light,
come and taste this
dream tonight.
20 minutes.
That's the plan, gone into as fast as you can.
Keep it moving nice and slow. Silky custard starts to glow. Never leave it all alone, or the bottom soon is gone.
When it's ready, smooth and fine, topped with clouds, it's serving time. Cool it down and grab a spoon. You'll be making more real soon.
Floating island,
Sweet and light,
grandma's treasure.
pure